Hey y'all, got some more ornaments here. These are ones I have made up for my family members. I did some ones that where I drew cartoon characters, and I did another one where I used some stickers, and then one set of them is for me. I hope y'all like them. Okay, showing y'all them little squares there, boxes, things I got at Walmart. It was $1.50. That's one of my scrap wood stars. And I've had them little things there forever. And I got these little trees at Walmart. I thought they were cute. We're starting out with the star. We're making him into Patrick from SpongeBob SquarePants. My niece likes that show. And when I cut this star out, me and my husband both said, that looks like Patrick. So I decided to paint it up like him. I had to mix two of my paint colors together. I didn't have one that looked to me like his color. This one still may not be, but I hope it's close. When I showed it to her, she liked it anyway, so that's good. That's what he looks like, painted all pink. Then I had to dress him, give him some clothes. Using my Posca markers for this part, because it's easier for me than using the paintbrush on this part. I don't know if that purple matches his purple, but it was the closest one I had. Still looks like him. And I did mess this part up. I forgot to do the white part of the eyes first. I started with the black. So I had to fix that. I did use a paintbrush for this part to get down in the little groove there. Painted the whites of his eyes. So then I can go back and add the details. Then I decided to put the lines around his shorts down there. Make them look better. He's coming together. Now I'm adding the details on his eyes. His eyes are awful close together, huh? I think it's looking like him. I think I did okay on this one. He came together all right. He had a few little spots on him, and I took that paint pen and tried to do them. You can't see them real good, but in person you can see them a little bit. Making stuff show up a little better. And then add his string. I did it wrong at first. I had to do another one. She can put him on the tree. And this one I'm doing for myself. These trees cost $3.55, I think. Whatever it was I showed y'all. But I wanted to make them look like they had a little bit of snow on them. So that's what I'm using that cashew color for. And that's all I did to these. But I like how they turn out. I'll be putting them on my tree. We're still working on the SOB. I'm hoping it's done by Christmas so I can decorate out there. I'll show y'all the difference in the one that didn't have it and one that did. And then I finished both of them. I think they look cool. I like them. And now we're working on Stitch. My sister likes him. So I drew him up on that little wood slice. I was glad to finally use these. I had them for 3 or 4 years now. I still got a few. Need to use them for something else. Y'all can't tell much about him there. You can see him a little bit coming together. It always helps when I add the paint markers. He starts showing up better. Do y'all like doing handmade ornaments where you draw stuff on them? I think it's fun. I had fun making them. My sister loved it, so that's good. He's chewing on a candy cane. And I come close as I could to the colors of him. It looks pretty much like him, so I think it's close enough. He's coming together now. He didn't take too long to do. He's not too big. I filled up that whole little wood slice, huh? Now you can start seeing what he looks like. That was the purple. I didn't see it at first, and then I noticed that ain't all blue, so I had to go back and find purple. He's getting pretty much done now. I just got to do the outlining and the black parts. I think he turns out really cute. He was my husband's favorite of all of them I made today. We remember watching the first Stitch movie with our son when he was younger, and he turned 31 the other day. We're old. There you go. He's starting to look really cute now. Had to put his little toenails on. There he is. He's cute. And I just added a little jute rope thing to the back of him. I didn't have it good enough, so I added another piece of black paper. And he turned out cute. Trying to make him where he hangs straight. And this one is for another niece, her baby. Well, this will be its first Christmas. And they love Jack Skellington. So I made her little girl a first Christmas ornament with Jack Skellington. I'll have to get it in the mail to her soon. I hope she likes it. I wrote the words on the back, so the front was just my drawing. I can't write with a flip, but it's on there anyway. At least it's on the back. He turned out better than I thought he would. I was happy with him. I didn't know how he was going to look, but I actually ended up liking it a lot. You can see him coming together pretty fast. He's cool to draw. Yep, there we go. Almost done. Adding some little highlights here and there. Now I decided to outline around him in black. Now I'm just adding that little, excuse me, little rope to him so he can hang. And cut off them tails there. And he looks cool. This one, I accidentally printed them in black and white the other day. And I thought, well, I want to use them for something. So, y'all gonna see my mistake here. I thought, well, I'll paint the background black. Because them look white and gray and all that. Yeah, bet you done guessed it. Look here, when I put it on there. You can't even see it. So then I decided to go over it with some red, thinking that'll make it at least show up some. I had to use a different sticker because I hadn't tore it up when I pulled it off, but it's okay. And you'll see here in a minute, you can actually see it some on the red, so it's okay with me. My sister liked them, so I think I'm going to give them to her. See, you can see it. And I decided I wanted to do something around the edges, so I'm adding some of that white rope. Had to find my finger thing again. I never have that thing with me when I need it. I ended up going around that first one twice with the rope. And then I'm going to add some of them little balls there. I got them at Walmart or Hobby Lobby. I can't remember which. But they make it look cool anyway. Add a little color to it. I just show y'all a few on this one, and then I show you finishing up on the other one. they come together in the end. And since my sister likes them, I'm going to give them to her. Trying to figure out exactly what I wanted to do there. I actually like the wood color. I didn't want to change it. Yeah, here's the other one. I did 3 rows of rope on it. And then put the little balls in different spots. They end up looking kind of cute. You can set them up or hang them. I add strings, but they actually set too. There they are. And I'm going to show y'all a video of everything. But you can actually see them. They look kind of cute for something I messed up. Thank y'all so much for watching the video. I really do appreciate it. And everybody that's subscribed, thank you so much. And if y'all like this video, please subscribe to it. And I will talk to y'all again soon. Bye-bye.